Srangslo Rajakor Awlini Assam Rifles Auditorium ni Holnogo NCC Group Commander Rokni Shomlen Songkazakha Ashamlena Songserika Hastefa Indra Sena Reti Nalu Pandawe NCC T Assam Rifles ni Okra Naikolai Rokbo Phai Manjak Phaiga A Pandawa Hasteni Dalbidal College Day School ni Chalati Buri NCC Cadet Rokbo Phai Manjak Phaimani Nokjakha A Pandaw Kok Naragna Fro Hastefa Indra Sena Reti Nalu Shaklaikha 1966 BC ni Simi 1968 BC Jora Bo School NCC Cadet Tongmani Botebo Shaklaikha Abo Kaisa Hakotoni Shurungmung Hukumuti Laibumani Kahai Border Platform Aboni Logi NCC no Tuye Nangkukmani Kok Shaka Hastefa Indra Sena Reti Nalu A Pandaw Kok Naragna Fro NCC ni Okra Naikolai Gogon Deep Shaka Abo Hai Panda Hasteni NCC Cadet ni Tinang no Tuye Bele Keno Nangkukmani.
Further, it aims at creating a pool of organized, trained and motivated youth with leadership qualities in all walks of life, who will serve the nation regardless of which career they choose. Needless to say, the NCC also provides an environment conducive to motivating young Indians to join the armed forces. You have to balance your academic, NCC and extracurricular activities, particularly sports. I have seen some students who have gone for Republic Day parade, girls and boys. There, some people, they motivated them to serve for nation lifelong, not only in army, but such type of courses like RA. When they choose to give their services for the nation, the people there only after 12th class.
मैं राजभवन के सभी सदस्य ऑनरेबल गवर्नर और असम राइफल का शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारी पूरी मदद की है इसको एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए और बिसाइड्स दैट ये हम मौका है जब हम त्रिपुरा के कैडेट्स को दोबारा एक और मौका में मिल पा रहे हैं और देख पा रहे हैं कि वो कितने अच्छे तरह से कितने मेहनत से और कोशिश करके नए नए तरीक़ों से नए नए कंपटीशन से अपना फ्यूचर इस्टेब्लिश कर रहे हैं एंड वी होप एंड प्रे दैट all the dreams of the youth of Tripura come true and all of us become the perfect and model Indians that we are supposed to become as per our constitution. Thank you, sir.
Bureau Report, Kokkorang.